I'm very happy. First time this city, this family, any big number of gathering on working day. That is great, your love for the self, for Baba, and for destination. And for destination, we need to do effort. How we can change the effort word? Loving way. So we don't feel we're doing effort. We're entertaining ourselves. So I have got subject, the challenges and the success. You like this? Because, and how it happened. So, our life is very busy. You have to stay with me with the words. Our life is busy. I'm right or wrong? If we don't want to keep busy, the atmosphere of the world making us busy. And whoever think I'm busy, they become crazy. As much more you crazy, you become automatically lazy. Know that when we had a project to make a big center in foreign land, first, Nairobi is the first one, big center, And in those days, before 34 years ago, when we have to buy the land, and I call architect, that we want to buy this land, but you have to make design, and I'll tell which design you make. Yoga room like a lotus and this and that. He said, sister, have you money? I said, yes, I have $1,000. He said, you are okay here? I said, don't compare money and vision together. Vision is vision, money is money. Vision will bring money, you just design it. And first big center in foreign land in Nairobi. That vision, Baba will do, that confidence, and he have to do. We should not shake our faith in Baba. I'm taking subject fast. It's done and done. And now man. The third is man. You see what happened? That when situation come, our mind, even with Baba's children, become weak. If someone insults you, if you lost something, if something happened, the situation come. So, before some year ago, Daddy Gulzar was in Nairobi. Now I'm telling you situation of mind. Daddy Gulzar was there, and I had decided before she come that my Gulzar Daddy coming, this much amount I want to send with her to Madhuban. I decided before she come. Now, 1 week, 10 days, whatever everyone was giving, I was putting in cupboard. Now last 3 days remaining, we had the Brahma Bhojan, big Brahma Bhojan, 300 students were there. And everyone giving money, and we were giving tholi. So it's a tin full with the money, that boxes, and that boxes we put in account room. And we went to do foundation of 2nd and 3rd floor or something like that. And Daddy told her to go and bring Bhandari. So she went in. She found somebody in my office. She said, what are you doing here? She said, no, I'm looking for bathroom. She said, oh, bathroom is there. Okay, then she came out. Now, at the lunch time, I told the account people, open that boxes, count it, and get ready with the money because Daddy is going within 2 days. They went, they said all boxes are empty. You know what happened? That man taken key from my office, open and put all pockets and taken money and gone. Now that brother came and were telling me that there is no money, something has happened. So one Indian man move around whole house, all rooms, taken mobiles from each room and this money and everything, and he disappeared. So Daddy said, call police. Daddy goes up. I said, no, Daddy, it's okay. I was eating. I said, Daddy, if police will come, remaining money will take. Because he will come and he will start to open more things. So Daddy, I know this country. So Daddy, you know why? Because that year my thought in mind, whole year effort, फिर से. I have taken one word for effort whole year, फिर से. It happened again. So when this happened, फिर से. It's again, don't worry. It happened kalpago, it happened now, it will happen again. So what happened that I have not done anything, and after everything finished, 4 o'clock, one brother came. He said, tell me how much money you think it's gone and how much it will be less in your total amount to give Daddy. So I said, maybe $5,000. He said, okay, no worry. Evening 7 o'clock he came for yoga and he gave me envelope. I said, what is this? He said, sister, how much missing I'm bringing because with your blessing I will get multi-million times more, but you should be relaxed. And that's Baba. I done my project in time, no rush, no worry, nothing. So it's a mind pressure or money pressure or health pressure, experiment with God. Baba will do. And when we do this way, I think, because there are two things. What two things? What we have two things? It head and heart. Are you sure? Head and heart. Head is, we think everything intellectually, Use buddhi, intellect too much, Education, theory, system, and heart feelings. If we both connect and work with heart and head together, then we spell flying stage. If we use only this, then things delay. Feelings and this both together, then everything becomes so easy. So, in the world of IT, or in the world of busy, or in the world of stress, Om Shanti. Enjoy confluence age. Don't worry of yesterday. Don't worry for tomorrow. Enjoy now, and make it fruitful for the future. How you enjoy 24 hours? Very simple way, okay? Very simple way. The experiment you. When you go to sleep, become like a baby and sleep in a lap of Baba. Like child sleeping in mommy's lap. All your stress, leave to Baba. Practically you do it before you go to sleep. You will get up so early because it's love and comfort in Baba's lap, In little sleep, you will be so energetic and so many inspiration and everything. Now when you get up, we should be excited. Now my Guru is coming to give me energy Amrut Vela. So excited, with that excitement, slowly you get up. Slowly you get up from your bed. Don't jump. Slowly go, Do like this, and with your powerful hand bless yourself. Why would we wait for others' blessing? Whole night power. And then the second time, sparkling praise, loving praise, powerful praise. Give power to your own self. And then slowly take a glass of water, drink it, cool down yourself, little breathing, and then go to Baba's room. So all freshness, and before you go, first you go to the mirror, don't miss it out. You look how you look. And you smile yourself. How your smile look. Because normally we smile, now I'm smiling, I can't see my face. So when I see my smiling, all the time serious. So first you smile. Good morning, Vedanti. You are great, so you are great. Boost yourself. You will do wonder today. And then you go to Baba's room. Take energy from Baba. Don't do like this. Yes, Baba. Yes, Baba. No. Take power. And after that power, whatever you want to do, after that power you do. But now when you're taking power, he is Guru. After that, when you start your day, Baba is Father. So, Baba, I will not do anything alone, you are with me. So like a child holding hand of Father. So your day starts with Baba, Father, up to evening. Whatever you're doing, companion, Baba is your Father. And then evening, when you finish your work, Baba is your partner, your companion, And tell Baba, Baba, now you take me to the round of the world. I want to see what's happening to the world. So subtle journey for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and like you see the whole world. And then, after your dinner and everything, you sit and Baba is your Dharmaraj. And check if you have done something wrong. Sorry Baba, today I done wrong, but tomorrow I'll be careful. So clear your account today and today. And at night again, slap of mom. This relation you experience, you do all your work, all your responsibility. I have responsibility for 56 countries in Africa, 100 centers, and so many people, so much confusion, so many situations. But I enjoy so much with this relationship with Baba, and I live every day. At night I die, and morning I take another birth. At night I die, morning new birth. Enjoying. So relationship with Baba and create a great vision in your life for the self, for other, and keep two words all the time. Everything good, everybody good. That is my slogan. Everything is good and everybody good. Everything is good because it's not my drama, it's his drama. Why I comment? For the people or for the situation. Everything good, everybody good. Let me enjoy my role. Let me enjoy watching others' role. Blind. So, we need to make this life stage and enjoy. Because now return to the source. Now return to the source. Now we are going back to home. It's a Kali Yuga, last birth of our life now. It's so many births and so many experiences we enjoy. Now this is last. So prepare yourself. Whatever you do your duty, responsibility, everything you do. We can do more and more and more with a lighter stage. I want to speak so much, but I think Kusumben want to take my interview also. Okay. You don't want to ask me anything? Question? You want?
All are answered. So no need. All are answered. No need.
Okay. Okay. Now, still I have some time? So what more you want? You want my experience with Brahma Baba? You want what you want from me now? And then she will share something. Yeah.
Your experience with Brahma.
Eh? Experience with Brahma Baba. Okay.
And also how you got your name.
Okay, yeah. So that, yeah, it's connected. Okay, fine. So Atamba is saying how I got this name and my experience with Brahma Baba. You know, Brahma Baba, powerful, very simple person in society, but very powerful. I have seen Baba, when Baba gave drashti, let me show you how Baba was giving drashti. So open your eye and see, you know what I am doing, okay? Fast. Baba's drashti was so fast, so not a single child have chance to sleep. Because normally what happens, sisters start to give drashti and after 15 minutes come here, meanwhile this person can sleep. Because they know that the drashti will come after 15 minutes. Yeah? So, but Baba, you know, so you don't know when Baba drashti will come to you. And like a bulb, powerful bulb, and literally, you know, you can feel it, you know. That Shiv Baba is in Brahma Baba. I have that experience. First time I gone with Dadi Janki to Madhuban, and in my book 100 questions I have written, because I was a philosopher and psychologist and egoistic. Because I was first class, first student in my career of study. So ego, you can build your ego as much bigger. So I was thinking that these sisters are saying that God is coming in that old man. I want to see and I want to ask question. I go with Daddy, we were 8, at night we slept, morning Daddy taken to Baba, no, evening Daddy taken to Baba actually, and in Baba's room, and Daddy was introducing each one, and when my turn came, Daddy said, this one looking for God. So Baba said, God? Looking for God? And within a few seconds Baba asked me, you found God? I have my diary of 100 questions. And when Baba looked at me, I saw a big heap of a pink rose, like, and Baba disappeared for a while, and I got vision of God. And you know what? With Baba's drashti, instead of speak and ask question, when Baba asked, you found God? I said, The power, my 100 questions disappeared. And I got answer in a second. I said, yes, I got. That was the first experience, the same day when I reached in the evening. And at night I was thinking that still he need to know more, because I have done so much effort to find God, and I think he don't need still enough, you know, I need to know, he need to know. And morning, somebody knocked the door and say, Baba, I have sent message that the girl who has come from Ahmedabad, she should go and conduct meditation before Baba come in class. I was so happy that now I believe that God is coming in him, because he know that I love yoga so much. And I got program. Out of 8 people in team, I got program to give drashti before Baba. You know, and then I started to conduct meditation in small hall first time. And then Baba came, and I jumped and I went down and I was sitting there. And you know, only time. Because I want to see how God coming and going. And Baba was speaking very light Murli, and Baba making life laughing others and fun. And still I was serious that if I will laugh and then I'll miss that Baba. Baba is speaking that some children are so serious, you know, so serious. They don't enjoy even Baba's Murli. They are very serious. it's not affecting me at all. Because I don't want to miss how God coming and going. And Baba said, if I'm in college and if someone come in my college and tell God has come, I leave my books in college when I run to Mount Abu. Nothing affecting me. After Murli, Baba said, okay, the party introduced. So that is Janki call everybody and everyone's introduction in the class. When my turn came, I spoke my name. My name is Ranjan. Baba said, what? Ranjan? Ranji means anger. I said, Baba Ranjana. You know, because I was naughty, young age, 20. So I feel, like just Dada, I said, Ranjana. Baba said, Na is after and Ranj, anger is first. So Baba don't like this name. This child is doing philosophy. So Baba will say, philosopher child. And everyone clap. Baba said, but that is too long. But my child have done Vedas. Now from today, end of Vedas, Vedanti. End of Vedas. No need to read Vedas. End of Vedas. And Baba gave name officially in the class Vedas. So Vedanti. So that day, I got my name. And I think that is last. After me, daddies are telling that nobody got name. I was the last one to got, because Baba stopped giving name. So now when I travel in the plane, passport Pandya Ranjan, traveling. So if you come airport and you see the list, the airport people, that where is Vedanti, you will not find. You will see that passenger has not come. But in Yogya, it's Vedanti. So that way I got that name Vedanti. And other interesting thing, that first time when in Ahmedabad I saw Brahma Kumari, I heard knowledge and I like it. But the dress is funny, this t-shirt to wear and this, it's a funny dress, I will never wear it. That was my first thought when I saw Brahma Kumari. I will listen their knowledge, but I will never wear this. That was my thought. After 2 months I gone Madhuban. I never share my thought to anybody even. I don't like to walk on the road with this white dress sister. I tell my sister to drop her bus stand, but I will not walk with her. She come to our house to give course. I tell my sister, you walk and drop her to bus stand. I will not come. Now, in Madhuban, I reach next day, 10 o'clock. Baba called in hut, and Baba called the tailor. Tailor came and Baba said, take measurement of her and make 2 dress. I was so much in anger and hiding my anger that I don't like this dress. And why man is taking my measurement here in front of Baba? It's okay, and then when he finished, I ran. After 2 hours again before lunch, Baba called. And Baba, this is your gift. And I turned and I ran, because I don't want to see more minute in front of Baba. Baba said, wait, go in room, wear this dress and come. Baba want to see. So I went and I cried in room. I told my mommy, I don't know how to wear sari, you teach me. And my mother taught me, and she don't know this style. So, the mama style. I wear the sari, and slowly like an ant, I was walking slowly, and from room to hall. And I reached to Baba's hut, and 15 people were sitting there. So I sat behind. Baba said, stand up. Baba said, oh, you look like a mama. So you are like Brahma Kumari. So put surma and take this t-shirt and become. And I said, okay. And then I turned and I was going. I had decided within 2 minutes I will go to the room and I will remove this dress forever. And Baba said, wait, my child, come, take Thuli and with this dress go to Ahmedabad. You can imagine the thought pattern Baba was catching every step. So from that time I learned lesson that I am so much careful for thinking anything. Because Sakar Baba, Shiva Baba was catching, so now still he's catching. If something I think wrong about the self or other, so it's Baba taught me this lesson from that time, that I have to think, and I have to think that Baba is watching my thought. So then that dress, and when I reached with that dress to Ahmedabad, and then home I removed quick because my father was not in knowledge, not that much positive, and maybe he get attacked when he see, I was the, because we were 4 brother, 4 sister, and he had so much in, he have found 25 Janmakshar of boys for my marriage, matching 25 boys Janmakshar with it, because he was an astrologer. And he was waiting when I say yes and I get ready for marriage, and this Brahma Kumari came in between, he gets shocked. So. And after this all experiences, I told my father, can I go to stay 1 month in the center? And he said, even we do your marriage, you will come back with your husband to stay with us. That much attachment you have with us. You can't leave us. Go. Try. So he tried later for 1 month to stay in the center. I gone with 1 month later. And now 54 years. The letter never changed. But within 1 month he saw change. I went home after 1 month as an obedient child. What next? He asked me. I said, I want to do this. And he was so happy with my lifestyle. After 3 years, another sister, after another. So all 4 sisters became Brahma Kumari. And all 4 brothers got married. So people asked to my father, our surname is Laukik, is Pandya. I said, Pandya, you don't, doing marriage of your daughter, you don't have money? My father said, my daughters got married. He said, but you never invited us for marriage. He said, but they all got married with God, and God is my son-in-law. So he then became so courageous, and this was the wonderful with Baba, and Baba changed my life. And when I came, from childhood, I had decided that I will never watch movie, because I want to become heroine, real heroine of this world, because I have read Socrates, and all the world is drama and we are actors and like that. So I decided I want to become actor on this world. So my every step is like an act, actor. So you see what happened, that I don't want to see any movie, I don't want to see any actors and to follow them. I want to become real actor. So now my father every Sunday take all children to see movie. Only I remain at home. They all go. And then I wear dress like Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi, and I do act in front of mirror, and I give speech like Swami Vivekananda, and all this funny thing I do because I have 3 hours at home alone. So I was doing my act, And then when I came in knowledge, then I understood that what is the reality of life. So that way, and for marriage also I have written that meanwhile I will not find my life God, I will not get married. And when I got God, it's real marriage with God. And I met Brahma Baba. So Baba asked me, first time, when I was leaving Madhuban, my child, what you want? And I was wondering what to reply. He said, you want to get married? If you want to get married now, go and get a boy with, pant wala, the Baba's language, with the trouser, trouser, the boy with the trouser. So in the pant wala, pant wala. If you want pitambar wala, wait for a while. Means if you want to get a marriage with like a Krishna, wait. So 54 years I'm waiting. Pitambar wala, when Pitambar wala will come. So Baba, so I was so serious in my life. So Baba said, my child, learn. Every week I used to go Madhuban from Ahmedabad because my father was a railway station master. So no need to buy ticket, just sit down and go in the first class. So Saturday, Sunday, going Madhuban and coming back. So once Baba said, learn how to remain, it means in Hindi it says, Ramnik banna sikho, bache. Bache, Ramnik banna sikho, I don't know what is the meaning of it. So I asked Bade Didi, what is Ramnik banna sikho? It's Ramnik Bhai. So what is Ramnik banna? And she explained me that Baba wants that you become entertaining person. Don't remain serious. Now I don't know how to do it because 8 brothers, sisters, and I was a leader of them all. How very serious in everything. If something go wrong in the house, looking like everything should be proper, I correct even my parents and sisters and brothers. And now how I can entertaining person, very serious. And now Baba said, become entertaining person. And Baba gave me blessing. This child is with zeal and enthusiasm. Remain in zeal and enthusiasm and increase zeal and enthusiasm in everybody. Now it's a big subject for me. So what should I do? I never see the film, but I started to learn song. Marna teri gali mein, jeena teri gali mein, aaja re, ab mera dil pukare. So one line of variety song I learned. So I entertain myself. वो जहाने वाले हो सके तो लौट के आना, like all this thing, and then I learned some jokes. So I became entertaining Brahma Kumari. So if you listen for Santosh Ben of Russia, so one day she told me that, Vedanti Ben, I became Brahma Kumari after seeing you. Before you, I have seen so many Brahma Kumari, but I decided I will not become Brahma Kumari. But when I saw you, I decided. I said, what? She said you came Delhi for some time, and I saw you and I decided. I said, what is different? She said that all Brahma Kumari I have seen in Delhi, very serious. And you were the first one who were joker. So I decided that if I will become Brahma Kumari like Vedanti Ben. And she said that's why I became Brahma Kumari. So you see that I have followed Baba's blessing and Baba's advice, and I never take anything like a difficult or problem or serious. I take it easy, but I'm very serious in my transformation, my effort, my yoga, my study, service. I'm very, very accurate. I want to remain in that. That way I look after my daily routine. Yeah.
Baba always says in Murli that Vedanti Bachi wrote wrong Krishna is...
Yeah, in my study, I had 8 subjects, but one main subject was Bhagavad Gita. So I had written in that the God or sermonizer of Gita is Shiva, not Krishna. I written the whole paper on it. So, each year I get number 1, and that year it was an examination after 6 months something, and I got failure. So then I was so worried, and I reached to Baba before result come. I was aware that I'll get failure. So I reached to Madhu and I said, Baba, I have written God, sermonizer of Gita is Shiv, not Krishna. So Baba, now I'm worried. Baba said they will make you fail, but Baba is making you pass. So like that, So after that, my interest was not there, and I stopped it. But yeah, I returned that. That's why Baba is saying sometime in Murli, I return, God of Gita is Shiva, not Krishna. Why I returned that? Because I was first class first student, and my father had aimed to give me chance to become PhD. PhD means after MA more 5 years, and I want to stop that journey. So how I can stop if I get failed? So that way. Okay.